Top 10 tips and tricks for the Oppo Find X8 that you need to know. Always on display. Take advantage of the Find X8's always on display feature to view important information like time, date, and notifications without fully waking the screen. Full screen display. Optimize the Find X8's display by enabling the full screen mode for a more immersive and maximized viewing experience. Double tap to wake. Quickly wake the Find X8 screen by simply double tapping on the display. Battery percentage. Enable the battery percentage indicator in the status bar to easily monitor your remaining battery life. App lock and hide app. Secure your private apps with the app lock feature and hide apps from the home screen for better organization. App cloner. Use the app cloner feature to create multiple instances of the same app, allowing you to manage separate accounts or profiles. Split screen. Take advantage of the Find X8 split screen mode to multitask and run two apps simultaneously on the display. Screenshot. Capture screenshots easily using the dedicated screenshot gesture or button combination. Air gesture. Explore the Find X8's air gesture controls to perform various actions without physically touching the screen. Secret code. Learn the secret code to access hidden developer options and advanced settings for further customization.